Welcome. In this video we explore PyTest Fixtures, a clean way to set up the data your tests need without cluttering the tests themselves. Imagine writing 10 tests that all need a sample user object. Without Fixtures, you would copy the same setup code 10 times. Fixtures let you define that setup once and reuse it everywhere. Think of a fixture as a prep cook in a kitchen. The prep cook does all the chopping before service starts, so each chef, each test, can just grab what it needs and get straight to work. Here we import PyTest and use the @pytest.fixture decorator on a regular function called sampleCart. That function returns a list. This is the shared data our tests will use. To use the fixture, just write its name as a parameter in your test function. PyTest sees the name, calls the fixture for you and passes the returned value and no manual call needed. Notice that both test functions receive sampleCart without any duplicated setup code. If the cart contents ever change, you update only the fixture and every test stays correct automatically. When we run this file directly, it prints the sum and count, so we can see the values. Run it with PyTest and both tests pass. The fixture delivers the list to each test automatically. On the left, every test repeats the same setup lines, messy and fragile. On the right, one fixture supplies the data to every test that needs it, keeping each test body clean and focused on what it actually checks. Fixtures are one of PyTest's most powerful tools. Define your setup once, name it as a test argument, and PyTest takes care of the rest, keeping your tests clean, short, and easy to maintain.